Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install shaders in SKLauncher. So first go to Google and type in SKLauncher. Now click on the first link, CurseForge. So here, just type in, click on download, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on download. Or you can click on install via app, but here we are going to click on install and just download step 1, CurseForge, and then download.so. Here download is getting ready, and this is pretty much it guys, so you can also click on download standalone. So here our CurseForge installer, let's open it. Open this install, so click on next and choose English, accept, next, so this will install your shaders. After that, open SKLauncher and your shaders will be successfully installed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and just leave a comment.